Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Peter Emanje. I am a GIS analyst offering GIS solutions. I offer services in GIS software installation, GIS software training, data acquisition, data integration, and data analysis. Today, we want to do an exercise which is how to buffer point data in ArcGIS. How to buffer point data in ArcGIS. So let's go to our ArcGIS environment. From here, we are going to add the point data that we want to buffer. And first and foremost, when you say buffer, what do you mean by buffer? Buffer or buffering is a process of creating zone of specified distance around a point, line, or polygon, so that you can know other features that fall within or outside the zone. So let's import the point data we want to buffer. Go to this icon, add data, locate your folder. In this case, my point data is located in exercise folder on my desktop. So now I've navigated to that folder and I click on school. This is the point data. So click add, click OK. The point data has been added to the ArcGIS environment. Now, before we buffer, you can see now it's displaying in decimal degree. So to make buffering very easier for us, go to this layer, right click, go to properties, go to general, then here change the display to, let's say, meters. Change it to meter and say OK. You can see now it's now displaying in meters. Now the task ahead of us is how to buffer points data in ArcGIS. So to buffer, you go to geoprocessing, click on geoprocessing, click on buffer. So then input feature, that is the point data you want to buffer. Click here, click on school. That's the layer we want to buffer, the point layer that we want to buffer. Wait for it to load. Then click and navigate to the folder where you want to save. I want to save in my exercise folder. Let's name it buffer. Let's name it buffer and click save. Then specify the linear units. In this case, we want to specify it in meters. Then how many meter do you want to buffer? Let's say 2000 meter. That is, we want to create a zone about 2000 meter around each of these points. After that, click OK. So the process is running underground. Let's wait for it to finish. Welcome back. The thing is done and it has created a buffer of 2000 meter around each point. This is how to create buffer around point data within ArcGIS. Thank you for watching this video.